Imagine being at work tomorrow, walking up to your boss and saying, "You, sir, are a nose." That might not get the best reaction, but you can tell him that it's a compliment. It means he's very perceptive, knowing instantly whether an idea is good or bad, what the company should try and what it should not. Besides, it's better than being the company's armpit or fingernails. Confused? Well, this is an example of a key idea in the belief system of 18th century theologian Emanuel Swedenborg, an idea that has profound implications for life. This idea starts with the concept that internal things flow into external things and give them form. We can see examples of that everywhere. Ideas in an artist's mind, internal things, flow out to give form to paint or clay or even a dancing body. And consider the human face. A lifetime of smiles, frowns, sneers, laughter, and worry etch themselves in our faces until we are, toward the end, pretty much a picture of the loves, good or bad, we feel inside. When we apply this to the Lord, the results are amazing. Swedenborg says the Lord is love itself, perfect and infinite, expressed through perfect infinite wisdom. This love and wisdom are the most internal of internal things, flowing out to create the physical world and everything in it. So the energy of the physical world is an external container for the Lord's love, and the particles that make up all physical stuff are external containers for the Lord's wisdom. As that energy and those particles clumped into stars and planets and water and land and air and plants and animals, all were just further and further expressions of the Lord's love and wisdom. Then finally came the greatest expression of all, a creature created in the Lord's image, with the capacity to feel the Lord's love and hear the Lord's wisdom, humans. So if we are the ultimate expression of the Lord, and we are human, it means the Lord is human as well. And if the Lord is human, that means his imprint on physical reality is in human form, and in fact, that the human form suffuses the world completely. Swedenborg says that is exactly the case. In fact, he says that the human form is the perfect organizing principle, reflected in everything from the bonds that form atoms to the structure of living cells to people themselves. And it doesn't stop there. He says any group of people, large or small, also reflects the human form, with people filling functions that reflect parts of the human body. That sounds strange, but think about some group you belong to. Who is the heart? Who is the brain? Who is the muscle? I'll bet you can answer that. Swedenborg says it also works in layers. So maybe in your division of your company, you're the heart, pushing ideas and motivation out to others around you. But your division is accounting and serves as part of the brain of the company as a whole. Your company, meanwhile, is involved in mining, bringing in raw materials to be processed by other companies. So it's actually part of the mouth where society is concerned. Keep going, and you can see how all of humanity, everyone on the planet, is collectively in the form of one gigantic person, with each of us filling the role of one molecule in one membrane, in one cell, in one organ of that gigantic person. That can actually shed a lot of light on what each of us can contribute. What can you do best? What function can you perform that is uniquely good? Where do you fit in that grand body of humanity? So when you go up to your boss and say, "You, sir, are a nose," maybe you can show him this video and his answer will be, "Thank you."